Velcro worms. There was a creature catalogued in Central American forest in 1886 by zoologist Eugene Simon that he could not place in any classification. Soft-bodied, many-legged, covered in irregular folds. Not a worm, not an insect, not quite an arthropod. What Simon had found was a velvet worm, member of the phylum Onychophora, a lineage so unchanged that living specimens are essentially identical to fossils from the Cambrian period 500 million years ago. They look slow and soft. They are neither. Velvet worms hunt by firing streams of adhesive slime from glands flanking their mouths, projecting the jet up to 30 centimeters with sniper-level accuracy, entangling prey before it can react. The slime hardens on contact in under a second, strong enough to immobilize insects many times their size. They inject digestive enzymes through the bite, then consume the slime afterward to recycle its protein. They breathe through primitive pores, with no mechanism to close them, losing moisture constantly, surviving only in humid environments. They endured 5 mass extinctions. They have not changed because they never needed to.